Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at how we can create a chart sheet. So usually charts, we can place charts into two categories based on their location. So we can have an embedded chart like what we have on the screen here. This is an embedded chart. You can see it is embedded in this, like an object in this particular sheet 1. We can also equally have a chart sheet. That means we can move this particular chart to its own sheet inside this workbook charts. So how do we go about that? What we need to do, we just need to come here and then we just select the chart. Once we select the chart, we come here to design. We hit the design tab. When we hit the design tab, you can see several options there. We want to come to move chart. That's the location group, and then we come to move chart. When we click move chart, you see this dialog box here opens. Also, you see here you have been asked choose where you want the chart to be placed. So a new sheet. So what you want to select new sheet, so that is going to go to its own individual worksheet. That's a chart sheet actually. Here it is currently here, that is an object in. So it's an object in sheet 1 as we saw here earlier. So you want to select new sheet. So chart 1, you can name it whatever chart you want. So let's just call it chart 1, and then we'll take OK. Good. So you see here, this extra sheet has been added, which contains the chart. So the chart has been added to an extra sheet. It is no longer an embedded chart. If you go back to, you can click here to go back to sheet 1. You see that the chart is no longer here. So that is how you move a chart from, like, you change it from being an embedded chart to a chart in its own individual worksheet. So that's how you do that. Okay, thanks for watching that video. If it was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like.